How to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can save your emails from Outlook to your OneDrive. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Microsoft and log in into your account. Then on the top left corner, you'll find App Launcher. Tap on that and head over to your Outlook. So it should open up in another tab. Just let it open. After it opens, find the email which is important to you and which you want to download. So I'll just select a random email. Let's just say that I will just select this one. Now tap on the three dots on the top right. After you do that, here you will find a download option. Download this as MSG or EML. It's completely up to you. Basically download it. And there we go. It's here. Now go back to your Microsoft homepage. Tap on the app launcher again on the top left. Simply select OneDrive. After you select OneDrive, here, let it load. Sign in into your OneDrive. If you haven't, it should be automatic. And after you sign in into your OneDrive, you'll then basically be able to simply, import the downloaded emails into there. And doing that is really easy. All you have to do is drag it and drop it, and you'll have saved your email. Now, this process can take quite a long time when you have a lot of emails that you want to do. So you can select multiple emails like this. And from here, you can tap on the move option, move it to a different folder, and then download the entire folder. And then basically go to your uh, OneDrive and then simply drag it and drop it there. And it's that simple, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.